welcome back to Side Hustle Keisha. You guys, today I have two jobs which are work from home that I wanted to share with you. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification button, so every time I upload a video you're in the know. Make sure you follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Side Hustle Keisha. Remember, in the description box below there's everything you need to find me and on other platforms and stay connected. Okay, hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's jump into these three cool opportunities. The first one is with Teleperformance. It's a work from home customer service representative. It's let me just tell you about Teleperformance. Is a global leader in providing exceptional omni-channel customer experience since 1978. Our impacts are far-reaching, spanning over 62 countries and interacting with over 38% of the world's population. This kind of growth wouldn't have been possible without the dedication of our people who continue to provide outstanding customer service in every opportunity. Here, your success is our success. So they have this position available. Handle and carefully respond to all customer inquiries, provide excellent customer service through active listening, work with confidential customer information, and treat it sensitively. Okay, so you guys can come here and read the description. 6 months of prior customer service experience, over the age of 18, ability to type over 25 words per minute, high school graduate or GED, availability to work various shifts, proficient with the desktop computer systems and internet skills, proven oral or written communication skills, provide a professional quiet workspace, logical problem solving skills and ability to multitask, organization and work prioritization. Okay, so you have to have these skills. If you want to apply for this job, it is our mission to always provide the environment for our employees that promotes happiness from the inside out. When you work with us, you are valued and inspired to learn, teach, grow. We want you to come to work motivated and proud to be on our team. So I'll put this, you're going to email Rihanna Royal at teleperformance.com to apply for this job. I'll also provide you the link to this job opportunity. So that's the first one. I'll give you guys this second one. Our second job opportunity is going to be, okay, so this is a full-time job. I'm sorry, let me go back. This at Teleperformance, this is a full-time job. They didn't give a salary. I'm sorry, I don't have that. I tried to look it up. I didn't see one. That's another opportunity for you. This other opportunity is with Rupa Health. It's an operational specialist. And when you come here, this link will be below in the description box as well. You apply for this job here. A little about Rupa. The future is personalized root cause healthcare. Our company, Rupa Health, a small team backed by top investors and advisors in the Silicon Valley, is growing super quickly, and we're looking for contract operations administrators. This is a remote to start as soon as possible. You work directly, impact the health. You will work directly, impact the health and quality of life of medicine practitioners and patients around the world, and you'll work as a part of our operation team. We're the largest team in the company and growing quickly. So they're looking for, again, an operations specialist. The role includes managing a variety of routine day-to-day tasks, including clerical work, administrative tasks related to lab orders. Okay, so you're going to be working with the lab orders, customer support, and practitioners and patients over the phone and email, ensuring quality control in lab ordering, data transferring. We all wear many hats and responsibilities, so it may change over time. So your role may change over time. So you have to be flexible to the change that happens here. The ideal background as a virtual assistant, clerical work, secretary, receptionist, customer service, or administrative work. So this is what they're looking for. We're looking for someone with the following skills: highly organized, able to think one step ahead, takes initiative, time manage, and be able to handle many moving pieces at once. Must be available for company meetings during a day over Zoom. So excited to have a ton of responsibility and have a big impact on patient-facing products. So you have to be a problem solver to figure out attitude. So strong communication skills are a must have. So these are some things that you must have. You'll need a reliable high-speed internet, having a computer with ample screen space or second monitor, strongly recommended. Immediate start, able to work a full 40 hours a week, work remote anywhere in the USA. Work schedule is remote and flexible, but most must be available for a team-wide Zoom calls. They mentioned that twice, so they're serious about that, between 10 and 10:30. Okay, and your hours of working would be Monday from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Okay, so these Zoom calls are going to be at between 10 and 10:30 Monday, and 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Tuesday through Thursday. So on Mondays from 10 a.m. to 10:30, and then Tuesdays through Thursday, it's going to be from 9 a.m. to 9:30. So you got to be available to do these Zoom calls. Needs to be available a few hours over the weekend for other responsibilities. Then we are looking for long-term fit and have you grow with the company. So the monthly stipend is $2,500. Okay, so that's $2,500 a month. The culture is super important to them there. We're close-knit team of friends who work, who are looking for smart, energetic, hardworking and driven person to join the team. So you can apply here. Remember, that description will be below in the description box. The last opportunity is going to be with Concentrix. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. They have a sales and service remote position, and here is the job. I'll also put the link below in the description box. I want to go over just a few of the qualifications. Concentrix has a work at home, and they're now hiring. We're hiring in 35 states, but we are not hiring in the following states. So they hire in 35, but for this position, they're not hiring in the following states. We do not currently hire in these states you'll see here below. When you come over to the link, you can go over those. I want to get to this is a full-time position and immediately available. Just let me tell you, our world is different now. In the wake of coronavirus, our priority continues to be health and well-being of our staff and our business. And for that, we need you. Okay, so you may be asking yourself, who is Concentrix? Concentrix is a technology enabled global business services company specializing in customer engagement and improving performance for some of the world's best brands every day from more than 40 countries and across 6 continents. Our staff delivers next generation customer experience and helps companies better connect with their customers. We create better business outcomes and differentiate our clients through technology, design, data, process, and people. Okay, so Concentrix provides services to clients in 10 industries. Okay, automotive, banking, financial services, insurance, healthcare, technology, consumer electronics, media and communications, retail and e-commerce, travel and transportation, energy and public sector. We are different by design. Okay, exactly what do we do? Instead of working in a traditional call center environment, our Concentrix Anywhere program hires sales and service agents who work from home. For example, when you call the customer service department for your cell phone or cable provider, you just might be talking to Concentrix home-based customer service and sales agent, answering that call on behalf of our clients. These calls might involve billing questions, changes or cancellation of services, inquiries on the status, anything regarding status of an order, troubleshooting, and services. Okay, in order to provide customer service support and services to our brands, we need you. So why Concentrix Anywhere? We offer paid training and employee benefits too. You can save a lot of money and time. There is no gas to purchase, no bad weather to drive through, and no eating out, coffee or snacks to purchase daily. Concentrix culture, our culture is made of 9 statements that we use as a guiding principle for everyday business. We are fanatical about our clients and staff. We have high integrity with exemplary character. We are tenacious. So it goes over who they are, and I like these like affirmations of who they are for their company. So we're hiring, and we're currently hiring. You can see the list of locations on the website. So we have 3 types of work at home positions that we're hiring: regular sales and service, customer service, and technical support representatives. Every position we have is centered in providing excellent customer service, and some positions are more sales or technical focused. Okay, your answers to the questions during the application process, your qualifications and your experience will be reviewed as part of evaluation process to determine which one is the best fit for you. Okay, so You have to have a high school diploma or a GED. You need to have a PC with high-speed internet service. You guys can come here and see all the needs that you would have to have. A monitor, of course, a quiet distraction, free location in your home to work, telephone landline, or cell is required based on the position offered. So you might, yeah, check this out. It's rare that you see people say a cell phone, so that's good. All positions may require purchasing equipment from the headset, flash drive to dual monitors. They are not required as part of the application process, so please do not purchase them before we extend an offer to you. A strong candidate will be computer savvy, comfortable operating several applications simultaneously. We need you to be a people person who enjoys talking and assisting others. Okay, so that's that. We require 7 days a week availability, as customer service is something that is provided by most companies every day of the week. Schedules vary and will be discussed during the interview, okay? So I'm going to also include this description in this link to this job in the description box. But if you look here, there's a lot of remote work at home opportunities. You guys check it out. Hopefully one of these skill sets you have, and if not, send it to a friend who's in need. I know we have so many people out of work, but if you're able to find something and work from home, I know that would be a definite blessing. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you get a job or if you get an interview. We want to celebrate with you and keep our fingers crossed that you get an offer. You guys have a great day. Make sure you like, share, comment below. You know, when you guys like and you drop a comment below, it helps YouTube push this out, and I'm just here trying to help anyone that's looking for work right now. Make sure you guys check out my #1 way to make money from home, my top #1 business to make money from home. It will show in the description box. It'll pop up at the end of this video. Click on that link. You guys have a great night. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.